What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Taste the Blessings. I'm your man, E Money, and I'm back in the lab, ready to cook up another creation for you guys. We are back with the Garden to Table series, guys. Hashtag GTTS. Episode 2 dropping right now. Next up is Kale, fresh from the garden. I decided to do a chicken pasta with a kale cream sauce. Yes. Bring a little bit of Parmesan cheese on top, so you know how I do. Stay tuned, stay locked in, guys. See you in a minute. All right, y'all, it's my favorite part. You know I gotta try it. I made a Cajun chicken pasta with a kale cream sauce. Let's see how I did, y'all. This looks good. Woo. Yes. Boy. Wow. That is fire, y'all. Y'all have got to try this one. Make sure y'all try it, tag me, and let me know how you like it. And like I always say, if you make one step, God makes two. And just like that, your blessings will come to you. And we out.